So you wanna get at me, you deserve it. You deserve it, deserve it, deserve it. You deserve it, you deserve it. Said you need a good girl, now you got a good girl, baby. Deserve it, yeah. Hey my babes, so I'm back with another client tutorial. BF dolls, y'all know what's finna go down today. We doing a double glitter cut crease look and it's finna be dope. So first I'm starting off doing her eyebrows with my Anastasia dip brow and a dark but medium brown, and then I'm gonna prime her face with the Sasha matte primer and also the soft matte primer from Fenty Beauty, and then of course I'm gonna prime her lids with the Smashbox primer. So of course with beat looks like this with dope ass eyeshadows, we have to blend a lot. I'm sorry guys who don't like to, you know, blend a lot, but it's required to look this snatch. So I'm taking this orange shade from my Zulu Juvias Place palette, and then I'm just blending it from the outer V and then working my way into the front and the corner. Back into my Juvias Place palette, I'm taking this brown with the orange undertone and I'm just blending that into the orange that we just put down. And you can take any orange that has a any brown that has an orange undertone and blend it into it. It doesn't necessarily have to be from the Juvias Place palette, but it's the only orange that I had like right there in my face. Brown orange that I had in my face. Now what we're doing is layering like darker colors to add depth now, and I'm taking my Anastasia, I cannot talk today, I'm so sorry. I'm taking my Anastasia soft glam palette and I'm taking the darkest brown that I have inside of that palette and I'm just blending it all up in there, girl. You know, just blend, 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 blend. It's gonna be a lot of blending like I told y'all. Now we done with all that blending for now. Yes, for now. There's more blending to go. We're gonna take concealer and carve out the cut crease. You already know. I love watching carving of cut creases, you know. It's so relaxing. I don't know, it just do something to me, you know. I'm going back in with the dark brown and I'm just blending it into like the outer corner part that I carved, as you can see. And then now I'm going to take the orange and the brown orange that I used earlier and start blending that into the dark brown that I just put down and like fading it. So I'm doing like a fading effect. Like if you watch it, you can see what I'm talking about. I'm so tongue twisted all the time in these tutorials, I can barely explain stuff. So just watch me. Okay, now that I'm done blending the brown and the oranges and brown oranges and all the oranges and browns together, I'm taking Trophy Wife and I'm blending that into the brown orange that I put down. And then I'm also going to be taking iridescent color from my Fenty Beauty highlighter palette, and I'm going to blend that into the trophy wife. So you just really make all the colors hug each other, you know what I'm saying? Now that we're done blending in those beautiful Fenty Beauty colors, metallics, we're gonna blend with the black. Anastasia has the best black eyeshadows in the game, like nobody touching them, period. But I'm taking the same brush that I used. I want y'all to know that I've been cleaning off the brush every time I've been blending in these shades. And I've been using my crayon case brush cleaner. Brush cleaners are lifesavers, y'all, for you to change colors and still use the same brush. So yeah, I'm just blending it in the outer corner, and then I'm gonna take my Revlon skinny liner. Y'all know I've been raving about that Wet n Wild. This took the Wet n Wild out the game, and it's like $4 or $5, like same price range, but it just knocked Wet n Wild out the park. And the way that I'm blending the eyeliner in, I'm doing it like a kind of cat eye kind of effect. So as you can look at how I'm doing it in the end, I'm like blending it up, and then I'm blending it into the black eyeshadow. And now we're gonna take silver glitter. Now it's time for the glitter. I'm so extra, I'm so sorry. Yeah, it's time for the glitter, and you can see how I'm doing it. Like, I've done it a million times. Well, I haven't done it a million times yet, but you know, well, I have, but not on camera. Anyways, I know I'm annoying, whatever. I lined the cut crease, and now I'm taking my Anastasia eyebrow brush in the number 15, and I'm just taking the glitter and tapping it on there, and you can just basically watch what I'm doing per usual. Now it's time to apply mascara. I'm putting the lashes on off camera, but these are lashes from my collection, you guys. Do you see how beautiful they are? 25 millimeters in Barbianna. Buzz down, Barbianna. Anyways, now I'm concealing in the usual areas, and I'm using Fenty Beauty's foundation to conceal, and the foundation shade is in 260. Now I'm applying foundation in all the areas that I didn't conceal, and I'm using my Nars foundation in the shade Tahoe. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but yeah. And now I'm grabbing my Clinique setting powder, and I'm just using this Morphe setting brush. Well, I use it as a setting brush. It's some sort of blending brush, and it's super bomb to set the concealer up under your eyes. So I'm taking that and I'm just pressing it all in, and then I'm going to go in with my Lancome deep setting powder, and I'm going to use that to contour her nose in contour and bronze. And then now I'm just going to do I'm just going to put all the colors that I used on her eyeshadow up under her eyes to make the look come together and look more sexy and beautiful. So I decided that since I've done a lot of blending in this video, I just put the clip in where I was putting on her lip gloss, so it won't be too much. And now I'm applying this bomb ass and Reezy highlight. I keep telling y'all, if y'all ain't got this, you need to get it. You see how beautiful it's blending into the skin. It looks like her natural highlight. And now we're done. It's popping, it's lit. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to purchase my eyelashes, they will be added to my site pretty soon. And Barbianna, this style is already sold out. Thank you all for supporting me, all the blessings, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Love you.